Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is my third video on freshwater generator. In last two videos, I have discussed about basic principles on which the freshwater generator work and their starting and stopping procedure in detail. In this video, I'll try to cover how to troubleshoot problems related to freshwater generator. So let's begin. For troubleshooting, what all terms and the position and the valves which I will be using, that you can see from this line diagram. First problem is low capacity. That is, the freshwater generator is not producing correct amount of fresh water. So causes low seawater feed rate. Consequences is scale on the evaporator plates, and the solution for that is fully open seawater feed wall and check the orifice. Close the seawater outlet to increase the back pressure. Minimum back pressure which is required is 0.2 bar. And if problem is not solved, then clean the plates. Second is solenoid valve is not working. Consequences water produced is returned back to the chamber. So in this case, check the solenoid valve and uh, check if it is leaking or if it's not working at all. Third cause is jacket water feed rate is not enough, and the consequences the difference in the difference of the jacket cooling water temperature is too high, and the seawater temperature is too low. And solution for that is increase the jacket cooling water flow rate by closing bypass valve or temperature control valve setting of the jacket cooling water system. Fourth cause for low capacity is seawater flow rate is not enough. Consequences water ejector inlet pressure is too low. And solution for that is check the seawater ejector pump and check the valve of seawater line. Now fifth cause is rotational direction of the distillate pump is not correct. So consequence for that is the discharge pressure of distillate pump is too low. And solution to rectify this problem is check the pump rotation direction and change the distillate pump phase if direction is not correct. Now sixth cause for low capacity is the outlet line of the distillate water closed. Consequences discharge pressure of the distillate pump will be too high, and the solution is open the discharge water outlet valve. Now seventh cause for low capacity will be clogging of the distillate water outlet line, and the consequence for that is the discharge pressure of the distillate pump is too high, and it can be rectified by cleaning the distillate water outlet line by air. Eighth cause is vacuum condition is not good, which is and solution for that is check all the valves, tighten the bolt and nuts of the cover, check seawater ejector pump, check water ejector or ejector. And ninth cause for low capacity is non-return valve malfunction. So non-condensable gases or the brine is not extracted if it is not working properly. And to rectify is check the mounting direction of the valve and inside condition of the valve, non-return valve. Second problem what we face is water ejector malfunction. And the cause for that, the first cause is inside nozzle is released. Solution is retighten the nozzle of the water ejector. That is the orifice. Nozzle is the orifice which is there in the ejector. Second cause for water ejector malfunction is the outlet pressure is high, higher than 0.8 bar, and solution for that is check the ejector outlet pipe if it is okay or not. Third cause is inside nozzle is worn or corroded. In that case, change with the new nozzle. Fourth cause is the discharge pressure of the water ejector is negative. In that case, close the overboard valve and increase the pressure till it is positive. Third problem with freshwater generator is high salinity of fresh water which is produced. and the cause for that is leaky condenser, which can be rectified by demounting the cover and doing leak test. In case it is leaking, retighten the plates. The other cause is salinity indicator malfunction. In that case, check the salinity sensor and the controller. The third cause is too much capacity. If the freshwater generator is producing more water than its certified capacity, then in that case also the salinity will be high. In that case, to rectify, reduce the capacity. Fourth cause is evaporating temperature is too low. Uh, in that case, open the vacuum breaker valve and increase the evaporation temperature. As we know that temperature is directly proportional to the vapor pressure. Boiling temperature is directly proportional to the vapor pressure. So in that case, we just need to increase the pressure inside the freshwater generator. Fifth cause is demister is in wrong position, and for solution is check the demister and remount it correctly. Other sixth is brine extraction is not sufficient, and solution for that is check the water ejector, because that is what is ejecting brine solution from the shell. Fourth problem with the freshwater generator is high glass overflow on air suction line. That is high level in the gauge glass side glass of air suction line. And and the causes for that is distillate water outlet line is clogged. That is why it is not going out of the freshwater generator. In that case, cleaning the distillate water outlet line by air. Second cause is distillate pump is out of order. Check the distillate pump, that is the solution for that. Distillate water outlet line valve closed, and solution for that is open the distillate water line. Fourth cause is leaking on the pipeline, and for that solution is check the pipeline from condenser to pump and rectify if it is leaking. Fifth problem is evaporating temperature too low. In that case, first cause is jacket cooling water temperature is too low, and solution is to increase the jacket inlet temperature by closing the bypass valve or with the use of controller. And second cause is jacket flow rate is not enough. In that case, just increase the jacket cooling water flow rate to the evaporator. Sixth fault which we see in freshwater generator is evaporating temperature high. In that case, the reason for temperature to be high is water ejector malfunction, and the consequence is brine extraction is no good. And the solution is that check the water ejector. And the second cause for that is distillate water outlet line malfunction. The consequence for that is discharge of the distillate water is not good, and solution is check the distillate water outlet line. Third cause for evaporating temperature high is condenser malfunction. The consequence is temperature difference of sea water side is too low. And solution is open the distillate water line valve. Fourth cause for evaporating temperature high is seawater flow is not enough, and solution for that is check the seawater line and the ejector pump. Seventh problem what we see in freshwater generator is leak on the plate. In that case, tighten the plate. If cause may be tightening of the plate is insufficient, so we need to retighten the plate directly. Second cause is gasket may be damaged, so in that case we need to change the gasket. Third cause is plate may be damaged. In that case we need to change the plates, and the plates in the plate type heat exchanger they need to be changed in sets. Eighth fault what we see in freshwater generator is frequent refilling of freshwater expansion tank due to loss of jacket cooling water. In that case, cause for that is leaking on the evaporator plate, and solution is check the evaporator plate and retighten the plate, and then hydro test it at 4 bar. Ninth problem what we see in freshwater generator is brine extraction is insufficient, and cause for that is, first cause is ejector pump pressure is too low. So in that case, check the ejector pump. Second cause is nozzle of the water ejector is released, that is it is not in correct place. In that case, retighten the water ejector nozzle. Third is check the valve is not working, check valve, that is the check valve is not working. In that case, examine the check valve and its direction. Fourth is back pressure is too high, and solution for that is check the overboard line and the valve. So this was few of the troubleshootings which we mostly do on freshwater generator. So hope you have enjoyed the video and learned something from it. Thank you friends.